And guys, take a look at this question. Um, this is probably the third video on this channel. A particle moving with acceleration a travels a distance s1 in time t1 and acceleration a travels a distance s in time t and subsequently. This is a very important word we have got here. Subsequently, a distance s dash in time t dash. What does this subsequently word mean? It's like followed by, you see, you have heard of followed by, just like that. It's subsequently, just same meaning. So what is s is the distance traveled in time t with acceleration a. So let's write the formula for s. And so it's let's consider this is the thing here, free fall. So my mistake, it's not free fall, it's the body starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0. So let's at this case u equals 0. So therefore s half a t square. Right, this is what we get. Let's do something. Let's find the value of a. A is what? 2s by t square. This is initial velocity is 0. So after t seconds, or we can also, this is one formula, but we can also get something that is at is 2s by t. So this is again important formula as well. So let's underline this formula more than this, but this is also equally important. T seconds, velocity is the formula of velocity, v equals u plus at. Similarly, so here velocity is going to be what? At. That is the thing. So with this velocity, the body covers the distance s dash in time t dash. So let's write this another thing, s dash at. What is the time? T dash plus half a. What is the time? T dash square. So let's do something. You're gonna get the value of a from this equation, right? Multiply both sides by 2. This dash is going to be 2a t t dash plus a t dash square. Let's now we get something, a into 2t t dash plus t dash square is 2s dash. Therefore we get another formula for a. We just taken common a here is 2s dash by 2t t dash plus t dash square. And what is this is a. What is a t dash? You multiply both sides by t dash, we are gonna get 2s dash. What is this? What can we write this also as? Think about it carefully. You can write this as t dash 2t plus t dash. Because t dash square was 2t into t dash, so we took the t dash common. Multiply, we're gonna get 2t plus t dash. This is a very important step here. We're also gonna highlight this. Now let's go over to here. We have to prove this. Right. So let's do something. What can we, if we have to prove this, we get the LHS. What is the LHS? We have to multiply we cross multiply this with this a. get at dash plus at, but we know at is 2s by t, and we know at dash is 2s dash by t dash. So 2s dash by 2t plus t dash plus 2s by t. So we are gonna simplify 2t square plus t dash 2s dash t plus 4st plus 2st dash LHS. So we are gonna let's do something. This is the equation 1, and this is, in case you're wondering what I did, substituting what 1 and 2. This is LHS. What is the RHS? If anyone wonders what the RHS is, it's basically this 2 into whatever this is. So first of all, write the initial form. Let's simplify. Let's take the LCM and let's say it's equal. What did we get here? Oh wait, I missed a whole step. So guys, before you write, this is you take a look at these two boys. You see, this is a value of a, this is value of a. So we can equate this. So I'm just gonna write whatever that was mentioned is 2s dash by t dash into 2t plus t dash. Let's do something. We're gonna cut this 2 and this 2. Now cross multiply, we're gonna get st dash to 2t plus t dash by, this is probably the most important formula. In this whole question, because we're gonna get something else. So we're gonna have to we have missed a big trick. That's why we're gonna have to do this part once again. Right, so alright, so what is AT? Right, AT we can also write this as AT dash, not AT, sorry. To what is S dash? This is 2 by 2t plus t dash into, it's going to be S dash. So what is S dash? This S t dash into 2t plus t dash. Take a look at what we have been given. What is this? S dash by t square. So you see, cancelled, we get 2s t dash by t square. What is this? You understood what we did here, right? What is AT? We know AT is this 2s dash by 2t plus t dash. What is S dash? We missed a trick there, so we did whatever this, because it equated the two values of A, and we got S dash in terms of S and T dash, whatever this is. We have to remove the S dash. So we saw that 2t plus t dash cancel from both sides, we get this. So what is it? 2st by t, right? So substituting with this one. And what is at? 2s by t, right? 2s by t. So if we multiply by t, we get 2s t dash plus 2s t by t square. It's not t dash, it's just t. We can just take 2s common, we get t dash plus t by t square, whatever this is. And now what will this be? Again, did we miss something? Of course, we've missed the s dash trick. 2s dash, wait. 2s t dash 2t plus t dash by t dash minus 2s by t. So the t dash cancel, we get 2s into 2t plus t dash wait. Oh, we have a t square, right? So guys, take a look at what we did. By t square minus 2s by t. This is 4st plus 2st dash minus 2st by t square. So we got 4 minus 2, 2. 2st plus 2st dash by t square. So we have proved. So this is what it is. So what was the main thing? To prove this expression, we had to think in a simpler way. Are we getting any? You must have thought when we get two values of a, why do we equate that? But do you think if we equate that, we're gonna get a single value of a in both containing s dash by t dash? No, it's not possible to have both the values in one equation. Like it's too good to be true. So you must have thought, why not remove this denominator? What about we cross multiplying, get something? That's exactly what we did. The at and the at dash, the most important thing. No, very important things, but the most important thing is this s dash formula. You had to get the value of s dash in terms of s and t dash and t, whatever that is. We're gonna get the value of s dash in terms of all the other three variables. It's alright, completely alright. Like, why not? What did we actually do here? Let's write equating both values of a. Values of a. Why? What are the two values of a? Is 2s by t squared, another 2s dash by t dash into 2t plus t dash. Why did we equate? Of course, what is the job? If you have two equations and both go true for the same value, why not equate? We've got two values of a, let's equate them and we'll get a relation between the other three terms, between the four terms. That's exactly what we did. And why, you might have thought, why not remove the s? Why did we remove the s dash? You could have also done it in another way, that was remove the s and keep the s dash. I thought it's a simple thing if we remove the dashes. It's quite a complex thing if you. The one condition that was mentioned is the body starts from rest. So that is it, and we're gonna meet again in the next video. That's gonna be based on projectile motion or just motion. It depends. This is a very lengthy sum, I know, and this indeed was a lengthy sum. Trust me. You got to you're gonna have to catch the trick in the book. That is the equating both values of a. But the more trickier part was in this very cross multiplied. Now hear me out, you could have done it in a different way. I'm not saying you would not have got the answer. But think, you get a single value of a, like how are you gonna get that? There are two values of a, and if you divide, even if you simplify this part, this fraction, you don't get any one value, there is gonna be this or this. How are you gonna be sure that if, for example, this simplifies to 2s by t squared, which is, it's a good thing because it's a value of a, so you can prove this. But think about it, if this does not go for this, somehow, I mean, it should, because this is equals to a, this is equals to a, so it should. If you tried and saw it did not, how, like, that would just be a waste of time, and it would have been a different thing, it's a complex thing. So why not cross multiply, get a simpler relation? At the end we didn't do anything different from what was asked, we just cross multiplied the same freaking relation. So calm down, and yeah, so yeah, I'm ending this video for now. This is a very long video, so I explained it every part I solved. So yeah, hope you guys, and this was a very different type of question from what is usually given. If the proof are asked with t dash a, whatever that is, it's not usually that complex, but this time it was. So I'll see you guys in the next video.